Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about adding mixed fraction. Adding mixed fraction can seem challenging at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll be able to do it easily. So, let's get started! First, we have 2 1/3 plus 5 3/7. Now, let's add the first whole number. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And now let us multiply 1 and 7. So we have 1 times 7 is equal to 7. And now let us also multiply the 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Over. Now let us multiply both the denominator. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Now, let us write whole number 7. Now, let us add 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 over 21. Next, we have 5 1/4 plus 2 2/3. Let us add both the whole number. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And let us multiply the numerator and the denominator. 1 times 3 equals to 3 plus and multiply 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8 equals, let us multiply 4 times 3 equals to 12. Now let us rewrite the whole number here and let us add 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 and we write 12. So we have 7 11 over 12. Next, we have 3 2/5 plus 6 1/3 is equal to, okay, now let us add both the whole number. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And let us multiply 2 and 3. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 5 and 1, so 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Now, let us multiply 5 and 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Rewrite the whole number here and let us add 6 and 5. So we have 11 over 15. The next we have 2 and 1/2 plus 3 and 1/3 is equal to. Now let us add the whole number. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And now let us multiply 1 and 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Let us also multiply 2 and 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now let us multiply both the denominator. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Equals. Now let us write the whole number here. And let us add 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Over. And write the denominator here. So we have 5 and 5 over 6. Last, we have 4 1/5 plus 1 and 3/4. So, what is your answer? Just comment below.